Are you looking for ways to add storage to your trailer and some ways to load heavy things? Stay tuned, I'm going to show you some ideas I have for mine.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
So I'm naming this project the Timberland trailer because my main use for it will be hauling and lifting logs. For part one, I just want to do a quick walkthrough and talk about some of the modifications I'll be making in the upcoming videos. So I'm starting off with this 18-foot, 7,000-pound trailer. I need to beef it up a bit, so I will be swapping the 2-inch coupler for a 2 5/16. The guardrail will move up on top of the deck to make room for two 10,000-pound jack landing gear setup. I'll be adding some 4x4 cross supports to the jacks that will be covered with a low-profile toolbox for extra storage, as well as housing a 12,000-pound winch. The jacks will be welded to the deck right there where I cut those stake pockets off. The deck plates are a little dented in, so I'll be trying to straighten them without having to remove them. I'm adding some 3x3 channel underneath in between the angle supports. The fenders are also a little bit rough, so I'll be customizing a toolbox fender that will add a little extra storage. It'll raise them up a little bit, but I don't haul vehicles very often, so I'm not too worried about that. Behind the fenders, I'll be adding two 7,000-pound jacks to help support the load off the back. Behind the jacks, I will be making side hinges for a lifting arch. The lifting arch will be about 9 foot tall, A-frame, that I can use to lift logs onto the trailer. And I'll be welding some chain catches on so I can lock it in place to lift logs on end or lift anything off the back. It did not come with ramps, so I found the one in the scrap pile. So I'll just need to copy that ramp and add a stronger track on the back for the ramps to sit in. I've also got a junction box, so I will be redoing the wiring. Once I get all that done, I will weigh it, and if I'm able, without overloading the tongue weight, I also want to add a swivel hoist up front by the toolbox. After that, it'll be ready for paint. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when each part of this series comes out.